If you're working full time, then can you create 30 hours per week is the issue. And just don't bother about ki itna kaam kar rahe hain, etc. Don't feel sorry for yourself. You're doing it for a better future. You will actually enjoy it having done this work when you can retire at 40 because your monetary issues are over. So can you give 30 hours? You define how much is a budgeted time for you based on your jobs. If you take a decision to quit your job, तो प्रॉब्लम क्या हो जाता है कि परफॉर्मेंस में प्रेशर बहुत हो जाता है. एग्जाम में यू कांट सॉल्व अ कपल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, योर माइंड विल स्टार्ट रिएक्टिंग कि तुमने तो पूरा जॉब छोड़ के इसको किया है, अब क्या होगा तुम्हारा. ऑल दोस थिंग्स यू डोंट वांट इन द एग्जाम. सो द चैलेंज इफ यू आर वर्किंग इज कि स्किल डेवलपमेंट का जो 3-4 महीने का प्रोसेस होता है उसको मैनेज करना होगा विद द बेस्ट पॉसिबल एफर्ट दैट यू गॉट. एंड उसके बाद वंस यू आर डाउन टू परफॉर्मेंस वर्क, आई मीन 1 टेस्ट per week, 2 tests per week, you can easily take that. So test taking and analysis and then working back on skills. That's what the second part of preparation is. And manage to keep track of people who are sitting at home and preparing during this time. If they are doing it in 4 months, you do it in 5 months. Maybe you extend it by 1 month for yourself. So kuch bhi karke you have to keep track or keep in touch with people who are preparing, sitting at home and not working. And then when you come to performance zone, you will have an advantage because you will not be under so much pressure as them. They will be. The other thing you can do when you are doing, I keep talking about is don't tell this to your employers. And I hope your employers don't listen to me on this. That you don't need to be an ideal employee during this year, because anyway, if you're going to be an MBA, you are actually looking at leaving the job. You're not going to look at this as a lifetime job for yourself. Don't start not doing any work, but at the same time, there's one way where you are trying to impress the boss and doing everything that is required. So there's something in between when you work. So you take the middle path. Don't compromise on a few things. This thing, make use of the fact that you are working from home a lot of the times these days. So make use of these things.